Okay, today guys, we're going to be filming a video. We're a lot calmer today than usual, so you're welcome. And now watch the video where I look at this thing. I'm foreshadowing. Today, we're talking about my worst enemy, the 6th Gen iPod Classic. Today, this is the aftermath of the attack. I barely won the battle. Let's get straight into the video. We're unboxing my worst enemy. So we have a 3rd Gen right here to bless us while we unbox this bad boy. Now, if you guess, my worst enemy is a 6th Gen iPod Classic. These bad boys are always cursed and never work for me. So let's try to open it now. Oh, we need some tools. Let's use the SIM card tool so we can get it open. Look at that. That is the Pro Opener. This is the tired Pro Opener. The Olympic sport of opening packages. And there's a great contestant. There it is. Go away. And we got this bad boy. Bubble wrap, my favorite. Oh, disgusting. That's disgusting. Me fingering. Bubble wrap. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh, it does not look too healthy. Oh my god. That's absolutely disgusting. Ew. That's disgusting. Oh my god. I'm gonna have to bring myself in the plugging this in because I don't have like the guts to do it right now. I need a minute to calm down. And think about plugging this thing into the Firewire thing where this bad boy is. So guys, let's do it and plug this thing in. If I die, my YouTube channel goes to my imaginary boyfriend. That's where it goes to. Let's plug it in and see what happens. Oh bad. Okay, wait, on the phone. We're good. Use iTunes to restore. So let's pull out the Mac. Come here. Let's get over there. You cannot see my password, guys. It's very confidential, and I don't want you to guess it. Oh, okay, you guys can't see it. So there we go. Let's find a charger. Let's go with this one. Plug it in. Plugging it in to computer Ledora. Oh boy. So basically, guys, I might have plugged this into a Firewire Mac so I can like fully get a power on like this. So I'm gonna get my white Mac real quick to plug this thing in. Yeah, see, probably has a bad battery, and yeah, bad battery means that it will not turn on via USB. Look at that. Yeah, it's a fried battery for sure. Let's go get it. Before I replace the battery, let's see if we can even restore it. So let's go to get my Mac that's over there. Don't worry about my bed, guys. It's just kind of like that. Don't worry about it. So now we have the beautiful Mac that is not crushing the iPod right now. Let's get those. I'm a good iPod owner. I don't know what you're talking about. Let's plug in. Plug her in. There we go. That's satisfying. This bad boy. Fire This one. Go get in there. Get in there. Wrong end. Get in there. There we go. No. No. Bad Mac. Where'd my mouse go? Oh, it's gone. Okay, we're good. Okay, let's plug this thing in. See what happens. What magic do we get? Oh, let's turn it on. Bless us, 3rd gen. Bless, bless, bless. Come on, come on, come on. What? No, no, no. Go away. It's gonna do anything. Come on, come on. The restore mode. Oh, this is very janky. Oh god. One finger. Not 2 fingers, but 1 hand. There we go. Oh boy. Does not look too healthy. So I'm talking about, guys. This boy is not gonna work. I can already tell because it doesn't show up on the Mac. This is why I don't use 6th gens. Oh, it does not like that. Oh boy. Good in there. Oh. Oh, don't worry about it, guys. You're not doing anything. No. We're not gonna do anything. That's how it is. We're gonna do some like a tire change real quick. Oh boy, how are they gonna do this? So let's do this. Very organized to you guys. I don't know what we're talking about. God dang it. Okay, yes. Oh no, don't guess my password. Oh no. We're gonna do this. So I need to be quick. I need to be active. I need to be, I don't know. Let's walk into this side. This side usually works better. It's easier for me to use. Let's plug it in there. Right there, beautiful. So I gotta get this into there, causing the least amount of chaos. There we go. Oh, it likes the new Mac. Maybe. I only see my phone name, nothing else. It's doing something. Maybe. Let's check inside disk utility and see if anything will pop up. Of course it doesn't pop up because 6th gens are cursed and will never work. Sweet. So we're starting it. Bad Dragon. Turn on. Turn on. Of course you're not gonna turn on. That's why I'm heterophobic, guys. Steve Jobs. I'm gonna bring you back from the dead to have you restore this iPod. Oh, there we go. Plugged in the FireWire. Works good. Use action to restore iPod. Let's unplug you. Let's plug in. Come on, hurry, hurry, hurry. There we go. Great screen to have. What a great screen. There's no other better screen that you can have on an iPod than this. You know how dirty that is. Dirty and disgusting. Yeah, doesn't do anything. So I don't buy them. Not gonna do anything? Is that how it is? Charging. Please wait. Please wait for what? Please wait for my dignity to return. Connect to power. Charging. Please wait. Not waiting for power. Plugging it on higher. Close. Oh, look at that. You're plugged into iTunes right there. Just pop up. Focus. There we go. Yeah. Oh. Hello? You're doing it. Revive. You do not help us in today's video, Mr. iPod. From here, the shelf of shame. You're not gonna do anything, aren't you? Yeah. I just tried putting a new drive in it from a 5th gen I had laying around, and it still doesn't work. And the old drive doesn't work inside a 5th gen. So it's a dead drive and a dead motherboard. Not really a dead motherboard, but like it won't sync at all or do anything. So I'm considering it dead. So yeah, thanks for watching today's video, and that's the verdict on the 6th gen iPods and why I hate these things so much. This is the reason why you cannot have nice things ever in this household. Oh, sorry, wrong video, guys. Okay. Let's spin on it. Get over here. Spin it on it. Let's see. How do you look? Not damaged enough. I'm not strong enough to do that. I don't want to pay for that. What do I have laying around here? Ow, my hand. That hurt. It was dense. Beautiful. What else do I have here? Wait, do I have scissors somewhere? Hold on. We're about to make some emo iPods. The screen works perfectly fine, but I don't care. These scissors, oh boy. As straight as me. Tap the front of it. Oh my god, everything's bending. It's iPod's too short. Am I bleeding? Am I bleeding? Oh boy. Is that blood? I think we're good. I think we're good, guys. We need to ramp things up to stage 2 of this iPod destruction. That'd be really loud and have people home, so I'm not gonna do that. Let me see what else I have around here. So guys, I plan the final attack. The final attack is to attack the iPod with big corporations. I think that'll work pretty well. Let's get a big corporation. Let's see what happens, guys. Let's give it all we got. Oh my god, guys. We hit the iPod so hard, it turned into a 5th gen. Look at that. It's done. No more 6th gen. There's never gonna be another 6th gen on this channel. Look at that. It's a 5th gen now. Look at that. Beautiful. So yeah, thanks for watching today's video. I got my daily exercise with beating up iPods. Airboy Marky out. I shouldn't have eaten this iPod when I considered what it looked like.